In 1993, FBI negotiator Chris Voss dropped his voice half an octave, let it fall for exactly 3 seconds at the end of every sentence, and a gunman holed up inside a Chase Manhattan bank started calming down before he had agreed to a single demand Voss made. Voss later named it his late-night FM DJ voice. Slow, low, and always trailing downward at the end of a sentence, the way a radio host talks you into staying up past midnight. He never once changed his words or his offer. He only changed how the sound of his voice landed inside the other man's nervous system, and that alone shifted the entire standoff. Here's the reveal behind it. Researcher Stephen Porges at Indiana University found that vocal tone, not vocabulary, is what actually tells your brain whether a situation is safe or dangerous. He calls it neuroscience, and it fires below conscious thought, before you've even processed the words. Slow, dropping, steady pitch reaches the vagus nerve in roughly 3 seconds and physically pulls the body out of fight or flight mode. We post one of these brain science breakdowns every single day, so if tactics like this are actually useful to you, subscribe now so tomorrow's doesn't slip past your feed unnoticed. That means the exact same sentence, spoken in a rising, clipped tone versus a slow falling one, can trigger 2 completely different physical states in whoever happens to be listening to you. Try it tonight on one hard conversation you've been avoiding. Slow your pace down, drop your pitch on the last word of each sentence, then hold 3 full seconds of silence before you speak again. Here's the complication almost nobody expects. Under stress, most people do the exact opposite of what actually works. They speed up and their pitch climbs higher, and the listener's nervous system reads that rising tone as threat, which makes the other person defend instead of listen, even when the words being said are completely reasonable. Comment below with the hardest conversation you're dreading this week. We genuinely read every single one. Voss used that same 3-second voice drop on kidnappers holding hostages at actual gunpoint. And negotiation trainers still teach it today for something as small as a tense phone call with your boss tomorrow morning. Hit the bell right now so tomorrow's brain trick lands in your feed before you need it most.